How to pack your laptop and accessories in a smart way that minimizes weight and space. Packing a 100 inches laptop for a safari trip might seem like a daunting task, but it's not impossible if you follow some simple tips. Here are some ways to pack your laptop and accessories in a smart way that minimizes weight and space. Use a backpack or a duffel bag that can fit your laptop and has enough compartments for your accessories. Avoid hard-shell suitcases or bulky bags that will take up more room and add extra weight. Wrap your laptop in a soft cloth or a padded sleeve to protect it from scratches and bumps. You can also use bubble wrap or foam sheets for extra cushioning. Make sure your laptop is turned off and unplugged before packing it. Place your laptop in the middle of your bag, surrounded by other items that can act as shock absorbers. For example, you can pack your clothes, towels, blankets, or pillows around your laptop. Avoid packing sharp or heavy objects near your laptop that could damage it. Pack your accessories in separate pouches or Ziploc bags and label them clearly. This will help you organize your items and find them easily when you need them. You can also use cable ties or Velcro straps to keep your cords and wires neat and tidy. Pack only the essential accessories that you will need for your trip. For example, you might need a charger, a mouse, a keyboard, a webcam, a microphone, or a headset. You can leave behind any accessories that are not compatible with your laptop or that you can easily buy or borrow at your destination. Pack some extra batteries or power banks for your laptop and accessories in case you run out of power or don't have access to electricity. You can also pack a solar charger or a car charger if you have one. Make sure you check the voltage and plug type of the country you are visiting before you travel. Pack some cleaning supplies for your laptop and accessories such as a microfiber cloth, a compressed air can, or a disinfectant wipe. You might need to clean your laptop and accessories from dust, dirt, or moisture during or after your trip. Pack some security devices for your laptop and accessories such as a lock, a cable, or an alarm. You might need to secure your laptop and accessories from theft or loss when you leave them unattended in your hotel room, car, or campsite. By following these tips, you can pack your 100 inches laptop and accessories in a smart way that minimizes weight and space. You will be able to enjoy your safari trip without worrying about your laptop and accessories. Happy travels!